Yes, I'm gonna get the camera for you.
Because you want holy? Together we're majestic love. So today, Courtney's brother is getting married. And he's the best man. And we're going to the wedding.
No, we're not.
Well, on, buddy.
So
We're
that
not.
makes it. If you say me a best man, I'm not figure.
Yeah.
Then look what you did.
Well, show them what you do. Him do. Obviously, look there. Big girl like me. Have that on my neck.
That's reach,
But anyways, guys. We babe set the camera for position.
That's what you said.
You look too short when you set it
Baby, in a
so.
shot.
Set it the right way so the people can. So
See
yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm waiting to get my makeup done. Yeah, we're in Antonia now. So we're waiting on the girl to get the makeup done, and then we will be all dressed and ready, right, babe? Yeah. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And y'all gonna see the transformative state, hopefully, if she can make it in time.
Transform. You're gonna be a transform.
Yo, you see you, Courtney Tomlinson? I'm done with you. You hear me? Anyways, bye guys.
After transformer, she went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Lies. Look at you.
Come with it.
The dolly them out. Oh my god, why get my skin do that all the time?
Let me see best angle. Give me a best angle. The best angle that? Yeah. No, I'm afraid.
What's my best angle? Tell me. What's my best angle?
From front. No, turn around. Turn around.
Go away. Hey guys, what's up? This is Kaveen here, and Courtney is at his brother's wedding, and together we are Majestic Love. So guys, today is obviously Courtney's brother's wedding, and so Courtney and I are going to his wedding. Courtney's the best man, so he's already at the venue. Me, I'm just basically getting ready to be picked up, so I am excited to go see Courtney in that role of a best man. I'm also excited for his brother who's marrying for the first time, so that's exciting. And yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. The lighting is so poor, but this is what I'm wearing. This dress is from we bought it in Panama. Y'all saw this before. We bought it in Panama. And my shoes is from Fashion Nova. So when we get to the wedding, I will further show you guys some more stuff. Outfit wise, I'm waiting on our brother-in-law to come. So, and I'm also gonna put some freaking thing on my neck because Courtney like hickeyed the hell out of my neck, and I hate representing myself with some hickey. Like, nope, you know, like I'm grown, I'm for no hickey, baby girl. So obviously I'm wearing my ring. I think I'm gonna take my evil eye off just for the night, and yeah, super excited and ready for the day ahead.
Man, who's day waiting on? This one is
Thank you very much. Beautiful. Shannon. We send her a picture right now. I said we can send her a picture right now.
I share them with Shannon so I can get mine alright because I don't have it.
And he was taking for this crazy life. Cause he brought you here, placed you by my side.
jeez.
And I have never been so sure of anything before, like I am in this moment here with you. I found a love.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus. Tell me yourself.
Yes, I pray you love me with the stranger, you're all thinking of. I pray the Lord will send me love. I cherish every part. I really love you. Baby, I pray for so much life.
Three.
You will always put God first.
Movie.
From this day forward, you will never walk alone. Most of all,
You have never done what you're about to do right now before. And we don't expect nothing but the best.
Exactly.
Therefore, my son, go ahead. Sleep. Yes, you can go ahead.
Put on big one.
Okay
The
now.
moment gives me great pleasure to present to you the first time anywhere, Mr. and Mrs. Vivian Davis. Let's hear it for them. Come on.
Come on. Well, just waiting on Courtney now. He's taking some pictures and stuff, so he's over there. We're about to have some cocktails. Yeah, excitement. John D, how this make you feel? You ready for your wedding?
Yeah,
You ready for your wedding?
Yeah. I show you how to do it.
Seeing your fiance now, you know, a bridesmaid gown made
I'm
you
gonna show you how
teary.
to do it.
Right.
Ball and
I
something.
can't wait for food now.
Hold for cry.
I can't wait for
Fold a
food.
leaf back and front.
Okay. I can't wait for them wedding. They got next, for sure.
You sure?
Yeah, I want the next. I don't think. Watch ya. There you go. You think so? The man them no want it. You know how coordination. You know how to fling. Hey, Your rhythm, you know want dance when time coming up. So nobody start dance now. How was the wedding for you? He pissed me off.
But there's some dance.
But I think I can dance.
What's that?
I would do.
Cannot do it.
No?
Give me the pink bubble.
We are home, and yeah, the wedding was fun. I am tired. Baby's having a conversation there by him himself, but me tired. The wedding was fun. A lot of dancing and stuff. Babe, I don't want to deal with you either, you know, because you behave very badly at the wedding today. Nah, reward you for no bad behavior. And that's on period. Anywho, yeah, that's how I feel.